guys, I'm Kuyo from Japan. Today, I enjoy my original sushi cake. Okay, let's enjoy cooking.
First, bake the vinegar for sushi. Put 3 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt in a bowl and mix them well. Then add them to the rice. Mix the rice well. At this time, cool the rice while mixing it. Next, cut the ingredients. Cut the avocado in half and remove the skin and seed. Slice the avocado half lengthwise. Cut it into stripes about 10 mm wide. Cut the remaining avocado half into blocks. Then slice half of the salmon. Cut this into 10 mm wide stripes. Cut the remaining salmon halves into blocks. Then slice the sea bream. Instead of sea bream, you can use your favorite raw fish such as tuna or yellowtail or blubber. Next, make a thin egg. Put the egg in a bowl and mix them. Heat a frying pan and add oil. Add the egg to the pan and spread them thinly. I made a mistake, but it's okay. This is because we will cut it into thin pieces later. When one side of the egg is cooked, flip it over. Cut the egg horizontally into quarters. Cut them further in half. Cut them thinly. All ingredients have been prepared. Line the size 5 cake pan with plastic wrap. Place 1/3 of the rice on top of the plastic wrap. Spread it all over with spoon. Place plastic wrap on top of the rice and press the rice with your hand to form it up. Next, place the sliced salmon on top of the rice. Next, place the sliced avocado on top of the rice. Place the plastic wrap over the ingredients and place them together with your hands. Add 1/3 of the rice again and spread it all over. Place the plastic wrap on top of the rice and place them together with your hand. Next, place the sliced sea bream on top of the rice. Place the plastic wrap on top and tamp them down with your hand. Add all the remaining rice and spread it all over. Place plastic wrap on top and tamp them down with your hands. Place the flat object such as cutting board on top of the rice and place the sushi cake together. Remove the sushi cake onto a plate. Place the shredded egg on top of the sushi cake. Place them on top, make a circle with the egg. Next, top the sushi cake with avocado and salmon. The sushi cake is completed. Today, I made a sushi cake with my original recipe. I made this using my favorite ingredient, but you can use any of your favorite ingredients. I think you can make a delicious sushi cake using shrimp or tuna. Please enjoy your sushi cake.
Thank you for reviewing how was sushi cake. Don't you think it's so cute? Please try it. If you enjoyed this video, please check my YouTube channel and the like button. I'm looking forward to your comments. See you next week. Bye!